Did you know that every time you eat a banana, you might expose yourself to antimatter? A banana produces one antimatter particle every 75 minutes. What is she talking about? You may be asking yourself. Well, meet matter. And it's almost identical to antimatter. Now, matter is everything around us like our bodies, meaning we can see matter or even touch matter. What about antimatter? Well, antimatter is like a mirror image of matter. It's so confusing for many scientists because sometimes we look at matter, antimatter, and we think it's matter until an antimatter particle creeps in. These two are not good friends. When they meet, they start to fight each other to a point where they mutually destroy one another, leaving only nothing but light. But wait, hold on. I told you guys that a banana has one antimatter particle. So why are we not getting destroyed by bananas? Well, a banana only produces one antimatter particle, and we have a universe that's made up of millions and millions and billions of matter particles which quickly destroy it, which is great for us, but this is not the end, because scientists believe that when the universe was created, matter and antimatter existed in equal amounts, meaning matter and antimatter should have met and destroyed this beautiful universe. But here we are, existing. You're looking at me. We are all matter. So what happened to all the antimatter? Did it run away? Is it still within us? Unfortunately, I don't have the answer to that question today. But at CERN, we have an antimatter factory lab. Yes, we are now making antimatter particles. And why would we even spend time making all these antimatter particles? Because there's so many reasons, but one of them is that a famous celebrity in science, Albert Einstein, tells us that, well, the behavior of antimatter or a matter particle doesn't really matter when you expose them to what we call gravity. He says they should behave the same. Well, will they? So we all gather together at CERN and we make these antimatter particles, put them in a cylinder, and then we drop them, study its free fall when it's exposed to gravity. Now, these studies are still new, so there's a lot of research that's currently going on so that we can understand or try to find any differences between matter and antimatter. And maybe soon enough, we'll be able to tell you just how good friends or bad enemies matter and antimatter really are.